you're facing a billing hold on your Revolut account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your notifications. Log into your Revolut app and check for any notifications or messages regarding the billing hold. This will provide insight into why the hold was placed. Step 2. Review your account balance. Ensure that your account balance is sufficient to cover any pending transactions. Insufficient funds can trigger billing holds, so add funds if necessary. Step 3. Verify your payment method. Go to the payment settings in the app and confirm that your linked payment method is valid and up to date. If there are issues with your card or bank account, update the information. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the hold persists, reach out to Revolut's customer support through the app. Explain your situation and provide any relevant details to expedite their resolution. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, monitor your account for updates. If the hold is not lifted within a reasonable time, follow up with customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Revolut account efficiently.